Look, I guess that it's different. Maybe that's why you can't hang. Maybe that's why I'm distant. Cause we're not on the same page. Look, I come from a good home where it's love and it's never hate. Made a couple of good friends.
We got, first of all, shout out to Manny over at Moto Million. If you need carbon for any of your bikes, they do have the best stuff in the game. This is full 6. I mean, this stuff is insane. So I only got a couple things here. I got the heel guards and the cover on the rear shock, and then also these ducabike black foot pegs. So we're gonna do those today. I got some other stuff coming. I got the smoke bubble shield windscreen and the carbon front fender. This is back ordered. This company is actually overseas, which I didn't know. So with all this stuff going on right now, it's kind of hard to ship stuff. And so yeah, we're gonna put this stuff on, and then I'm gonna wash the bike, and then go for a ride later over to Ducati dealer, Hudson Valley Motorcycles. My friend and one of our buddies, Nick, is dropping off his new 1100 Scrambler for its first service. So we're gonna go over there. Maybe they'll have. I want to see the Street Fighter, so hopefully they have that. Get some footage of that too. That'd be nice. So I already started taking this one off, but most of the stuff on these bikes is Allen's and Torx bits, and there's not many sockets. So I'm gonna do this side first. We'll put this on, do this and this peg, and then we'll move over to the other side. So I just want to show you guys quick, when you take this off, there's these little grommets or spacers, these little guys that they go in the old one. You got to swap those over. Don't forget to do that. This way it sits tight. And let's pop this on. So I already messed up. There's these little like snap rings on the bolt for the peg. You put it, it goes back here. I tried using just a pick to pull it off, and it bent. I thought it would have like a little more tension to it, and then I tried bending it back and it snapped. So hopefully that doesn't happen on the other side. I'm gonna have to get another one of those and go from there. But yeah, that sucks. See, it's broke.
Look, I never really been shook, cause like a pup I was trained. Now I'm 22 and I never change, and I always keep my chains tucked. Lost dogs and that shit suck. Now I'm that bored and I can't sleep, so I said, Mo, let's go talk. There's a couple things
So got all of this on this side. Unfortunately, like I said, this pin broke, so I mean, I don't think it's gonna go anywhere, and I do have plans to ride later, so we're gonna send it anyways and see what happens. But this looks absolutely amazing. So now I have a little more carbon on here. I eventually would one day, I'd love to do the entire bike carbon, but it's really expensive. And I got other funds hiding over there that need to be dealt with first. So
now I'm just picking up like I was Pikachu. If you're my dog, then dog, I'm gonna stick with you. Cause I was so down, but now I'm so up. I made mistakes, but had to grow up. I'm sick of the hate, and I just can't watch. But maybe you'll stop, and maybe you won't. Till what's our past, and till what's to come.
So now that's on. Looks amazing. I did the clear clutch cover, the pressure plate, blah blah blah, all that. Seat cover, just, you know, a lot of little stuff. When I first got the bike, you know, bar ends, grips, the eliminators for the blinkers, took the mirrors off. You know, nothing too crazy, but everything on these bikes is so expensive, even like the tiniest things. So it takes time to do this. I think my dad just pulled up on his bike. Go take a look at that. It's my dad's Triumph. Thing is fun as hell to ride. Valley Motorcycles. Drop off Nick's bike. See if they got anything good inside to look at. Hopefully they got a Street Fighter in there. They're not letting us in because of COVID, unfortunately, but look at this X Diablo S. Thing is so clean. Yeah, I think so. So when I wash this thing, I, for starters, never spray the whole thing. I only spray the rims, front of the forks, and the brakes, and the back swing arm. And I rinse the rims with some cleaners. And then I hand wash everything else with microfiber rags. And I use this foam. This stuff's good. If you have like a matte finish like this stuff's pretty good. And then this plexus, I use this on the windscreen because this plastic scratches really easy, and this stuff polishes it up really nice. So let's give this thing a good wash.
Look, I guess that it's different. Maybe that's why you can't hang. Maybe that's why I'm distant. Cause we're not on the same page. Look, I come from a good home, where it's love and it's never hate. Made a couple of good friends, but I know when the shit's fake. That's why it's fam over everything. And I really miss the old days, when my mom took me to the lake. And it wasn't all about money, cause it's something you can't take. And your love was just can't stay. Look, I never really been shook, cause like a pup I was trained. Now I'm 22 and I never changed.